Hi, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video I will be redecorating my master bedroom. I will be using the color of purple, a little bit of gold, mostly silver. Okay, if you want to see how I do with those colors I should say, please keep watching.
And you say me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through.
Guys, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I am leaning toward that minimalist. The minimum. Look at that word. I'm struggling with this word. Minimalism. There we go. So I don't know how is that gonna work out for me, but I'm loving it. I am super busy at work, so I work 8.5 hours every single day. I came home at 5:30 every day. I don't really have time to clean and make videos. So having less stuff in my house, I think it's gonna be a lot easier for me to bring you guys goodies. What do you guys think?
You say me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need it.
Thank you so much to all of my new and returning subscribers. Thank you to all of you that has been supporting me from day one until now. I truly appreciate it all. May the Lord continue to bless each and every one of you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me.
And I am working on my first house tour. Get ready for that. I don't know when it's gonna be, but I'm working on it, guys. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try,
but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. And when I try, I don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do, the one who saves me. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go.
I thank you all for watching. See you next time in my next videos. Bye. Mwah.
You can ride out of the blue.
I wanna do